Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The booted eagle, Hieraaetus pennatus, is a small to medium-sized raptor that exhibits remarkable adaptability and a wide distribution, making it one of the more intriguing birds of prey found across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. This species is known for its striking plumage variations, powerful hunting skills, and migratory behavior. Named for its fully feathered legs that resemble boots, the booted eagle holds an important ecological role in controlling small mammal and bird populations. In terms of physical description, the booted eagle is a compact raptor with a body length of approximately 40 to 51 centimeters, about 16 to 20 inches. A wingspan ranging between 105 to 180 degrees, 135 centimeters, roughly 3.4 to 4.4 feet, and an average weight of about 700 to 1,000 grams, with females being slightly larger and heavier than males, a common trait among raptors. Its most notable feature is its feathered tarsi, which give it the booted appearance and help insulate the legs during cold weather or high-altitude flights. The plumage of the booted eagle exists in two main morphs, a light morph and a dark morph, which adds to its visual diversity. In the light morph, the eagle exhibits pale underparts with darker flight feathers and a contrasting dark trailing edge on the wings. The dark morph, on the other hand, shows a uniformly dark brown plumage below, making it appear more formidable in flight. Both morphs typically have a characteristic white shoulder patch or landing lights visible on the upper side of the wings when flying, helping distinguish them from similar-sized raptors. The eyes of the booted eagle are piercing and expressive, typically yellow or golden yellow in adults, while juveniles may have paler eyes that darken with age. These sharp eyes are well adapted for detecting movement from great distances, aiding in hunting. The beak is hooked and strong, dark at the tip and fading into a paler base, while the cere and feet are yellow. Sexual dimorphism is minimal in plumage but slightly evident in size, with females being bulkier, which assists in incubation and chick protection during the breeding season. The booted eagle's habitat is diverse and ranges across open woodlands, forest edges, hilly terrain, savannas, and mountainous regions. It prefers areas with a mosaic of woodland and open spaces, which provide ideal perching and hunting opportunities. During the breeding season, it nests in forested areas, often choosing tall trees with good visibility or cliffs in more rugged landscapes. Outside the breeding season, especially during migration and wintering, it adapts to a broader range of habitats including agricultural lands, semi-deserts, and even suburban areas with sparse tree cover. The species is found in parts of southern Europe, northern Africa, the Middle East, and across Central and Eastern Asia. Many populations are migratory, especially those breeding in Europe and Western Asia, migrating south to sub-Saharan Africa or the Indian subcontinent for the winter, while others, particularly those in Africa or parts of Southern Asia, may be resident year-round. In terms of diet, the booted eagle is an opportunistic carnivore that preys mainly on small to medium-sized vertebrates. Its typical prey includes small birds, rodents like voles and mice, reptiles such as lizards and small snakes, and occasionally large insects. Birds make up a significant portion of their diet, especially fledglings and ground-nesting species, as the booted eagle is a skilled aerial hunter that uses a combination of perch hunting and soaring flight to detect prey. It can snatch birds mid-air or swoop down silently onto unsuspecting animals on the ground. Its hunting technique involves soaring high in the sky or gliding across open areas while scanning the ground for movement, then diving swiftly with great accuracy. Its powerful talons and sharp beak allow for quick dispatching of prey. The behavior of the booted eagle is generally solitary or in pairs, particularly during the breeding season. It is known for its graceful and buoyant flight, often soaring with slightly upturned wings and performing aerial displays, especially in spring when courting. During migration, booted eagles may gather in small groups at major flyways or crossing points, such as over the Strait of Gibraltar or along the Himalayas, where thousands of raptors can be seen funneling through narrow migratory corridors. They are diurnal and rely heavily on thermals for long-distance travel, conserving energy during their migrations that can span thousands of kilometers. Territorial during the nesting period, booted eagles will aggressively defend their breeding area against intruders, including other raptors. The breeding season for booted eagles varies depending on geographic location, but generally takes place between March and July in the Northern Hemisphere. They are monogamous, with pairs often returning to the same nesting sites each year. The nest, or eyrie, is built high in trees or occasionally on cliffs and is constructed from sticks and lined with green leaves and softer materials. The female usually lays 1 to 2 eggs, which are white and often marked with reddish-brown spots. The incubation period lasts around 37 to 40 days, primarily handled by the female while the male provides food. After hatching, the young are altricial, meaning they are born helpless and require parental care. The fledging period lasts approximately 50 to 60 days, after which juveniles begin to practice flight but still depend on parents for food for several weeks. In broods of 2, often only one chick survives due to siblicide, where the stronger chick dominates the weaker one, especially if food is scarce. The lifespan of a booted eagle in the wild is typically 12 to 15 years, though some individuals may live up to 20 years or more under ideal conditions. As with many raptors, survival rates are lower in the first year of life due to predation, disease, and inexperience in hunting or migration. Once maturity is reached at around 2 to 3 years of age, survival rates improve significantly. Ecologically, the booted eagle plays an important role as a mid-level predator, helping to maintain the balance of ecosystems by regulating populations of small mammals, reptiles, and birds. By keeping rodent numbers in check, it can indirectly benefit agricultural areas. Its presence also indicates a healthy, biodiverse environment, and as such, it can serve as an indicator species for habitat quality. In regions where booted eagles migrate en masse, they are part of larger raptor migration spectacles that draw interest from birdwatchers and conservationists, contributing to ecotourism. Some fun facts about the booted eagle include its unusual plumage polymorphism, which means that 2 booted eagles nesting in the same area can look quite different depending on whether they are light or dark morphs. This variability does not seem to affect their success or survival. Another interesting fact is that despite its relatively small size for an eagle, the booted eagle is a highly efficient and agile predator, capable of catching prey in dense woodland or open air with equal ease. Its migratory feats are also remarkable, with individuals recorded flying over the Himalayas and Sahara Desert during seasonal movements. In some cultures, the booted eagle is associated with symbols of keen vision, strength, and grace, though it is often overshadowed by larger eagles in folklore and popular imagery. Nevertheless, it remains a favorite among birdwatchers due to its elegant flight, beautiful plumage, and adaptability across a wide range of habitats. Conservation-wise, the booted eagle is currently listed as a species of least concern by the IUCN, though localized threats such as habitat loss, electrocution from power lines, and pesticide use still pose risks to certain populations. Ongoing monitoring and habitat protection are key to ensuring this resilient and charismatic raptor continues to thrive across its range.